This wireless magnetic power bank is super cool, and it lets you take an extra 5,000 milliamp hours worth of battery power with you on the go. But because it's magnetic, you can choose when to attach it to your phone and when to keep it off. At a nice and thin 10.5 millimeters, it's definitely not as bulky as other external battery solutions, and because it's universal, it works with existing cases. Thanks to pass-through charging, you can charge your Juice card and your iPhone simultaneously overnight, which is definitely convenient. And you can even charge two devices at the same time, one wirelessly and one via the charging port. The Exo Juice card gives you so much. It gives you quick charging, you can use it with a magnetic car vent clip, and it works with any wirelessly charging phone, so you can share it with your family and friends. I definitely recommend checking this out using the link down in the description.